Bali yung Chantal, inibalang namin yung sa ate niya na Chantel. Tapos yung Wiko, galing yun sa kay ate niya din palayaw na Kuwi. Tapos yung Kuwi, nag-original yan sa pangalan naming dalawa. Kasi Kuri siya, Awi ako.
Together we could see where the road will lead to the unknown. There is
Sana naman ang aking Center, agawin tuloy yung Panginoon at sumayon. Mga kapatid, tayo pinagdalak ng people sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa mga sanggol at pagkakalin ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano.
you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You are my sunshine.
Sobrang saya kasi 14 years yung pangaling namin bago nasundan. So, basta iba yung saya na dala niya sa amin. Tapos parang simula nung pinagbubuntis ko siya, parang napakaswerte. Napakaswerte namin. So hanggang sa paglabas niya, swerte pa rin. Iba, napakasaya.
You are my sunshine. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like
Siya na yung kasiyahan palagi. Kahit pagod sa trabaho, pag uwi mo ng bahay, makita mo yung nakabungis-ngis sa'yo. Yung birthday wish ko kay Wiko, lumaki lang siyang good health lang, mabait na bata, masunurin sa magulang, may takot sa Diyos.
like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you.
Happy birthday! Yung Wiko!
Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid.
Sana lumaki siya madiskarte para maging successful siya sa buhay paglaki niya. And maging matalino.
Happy first birthday, Wiko. We love you so much.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
My name is Bobby Louie, a member of the Elemento Art of Magic Incorporated Philippines, and also one of the Magic Community, San Pedro, Laguna. So if you have a Lipandas catering and event management, sabi sa inyo lahat ng ingat, God bless, and goodbye. And we are signing off. Good afternoon, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Maraming salamat po.